somebody commented, they said our favorite is Roxy. Oh, you take your medicine?
Of course I take my medicine.
No, that's not thinking in your mind that of marrying or meeting a FiLiPiNA. Ang
Sarap.
Magpasarap.
Magpasarap.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning guys. I'm gonna have my breakfast right now. Today is Sunday. Yeah, Tom's in the shower. I'm gonna have breakfast as usual, egg and pancakes and coffee. Hi, shout out to Gail, Riza Langko. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Good morning.
Good morning.
Side up. Side up. He's asking me, guys, what I have for
Right with
breakfast. The pancake can is enough.
That's the egg, not the dip. Like that, usually needs
I
some
like
dip.
the egg that is sunny side up, gets kind of wet inside,
Yeah.
and I just like mix it. And then I eat it. It's like it. I like it. I have to mix it because the salt is in the top layer. Oh, you want me to make you egg?
No, I asked you if you want egg.
No, but you want me to make it?
No.
Or I'm holding you in contempt of court.
Don't do this.
That's what they're trying to find out. Somebody's been beating on her.
There may be a night in the court lockup will change your mind. Respond if it's in contempt. I'll stick it away. Resume tomorrow. Court adjourned. Now, we should be safe today.
Well, they'll beat on her. She's not saying maybe it's her father.
Maybe so anyway.
Sit down!
Hi guys, I haven't vlogged today guys. I don't know if I told you already, but I haven't vlogged today. Okay, so what I did is I made macaroni salad, and then I am baking also lamb, which is one of my favorite meat now. Like, I love having lamb now guys, or I don't know, it's really good. I've been here for like 9 years. I've been here for 9 years, and I think I just started eating lamb. I don't know when, but I just started, not last month. I think no, this year. I just started this year eating lamb. I have something write down for random question for Tommy, and I'm gonna do a shout out to Even Pearl Vasquez Dimicelio. Hi sis, thank you for watching sis. Marilyn Isuela. Hi say hi sis. And also shout out to Brian M. Arva Nitis. Hi, thank you so much to both of you watching my video. Thank you. And also shout out to Isa B. Albios. Okay, hold on. I'll put you speaker, okay? Okay, talk. Dada.
Gotcha, rats. Fishy monkey.
Yeah, go get Dada.
Hello, rats.
Oh.
Hello, monkey girl.
Go get him. Where's Dada, Rox? You don't even finish your bones, oh?
What? I'm not kissing you. What? Yeah. You are my little cutie bug.
Look, he's looking at you and they think like you're gonna give him something. I've been trying to call my family in the Philippines, but since this morning guys, hindi ko sila makontak. I mean, the phone just ringing and they don't even answer. I'm using Vonage. If you're here in the US, I'm using Vonage international call. It's 3,000 minutes a month per month, and then I think it's $30 something. wala talaga. Guys, I haven't vlogged much today because it is really somebody commented. They said our favorite is Roxy. Because yeah, it's really obvious in the camera, but we love them. But love them, the two dogs. But you always see Roxy. I shucks. I'm filming here.
Oh, you need to lie back?
Oh,
Sorry.
guys, I'm filming and shut the line off. I'm talking. Because what did you say, Han?
That's what Roxy's a playful one. Missy just wants to be pet.
Yeah, this is the thing, guys.
Not that she's the less favorite, it's
Yeah.
just that she is.
Yeah, this is the thing. We love them both. The two dogs have two different personalities. Misty is always wanna be like love, touch. She doesn't even once you touch Misty, she is turn out like statue like. And Roxy's personality is sweet to loving, but stupid. Okay, it's not stupid nuts. It's like playful, right, Han?
Oh, stupid's the right word.
No, she is so playful that yeah, but you see that in the camera, guys, that Roxy is always in the camera because she is more fun, and she jump even sometimes when you touch her, she jump back off.
She's a goofball.
Yes, she is. Oh, Antonio Neri, I told Tommy what you said that Tommy is right, and he is so tired. Oh, you take your medicine?
Of course I take no medicine.
No, that thing, the oil thing.
Yeah.
I can smell it. It's good for the body, guys. What is the name of it? I forgot. I showed it to you.
Oregano oil.
Yeah, oregano oil. But anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog. I haven't vlogged today because it's all the same over and over, and I plan to go to a nice island in this area, but I haven't able to do that because it's kind of no sun at all. Today no sun, so I decided not to go there to see the sunset. So I don't vlog. So I'm just gonna see you tomorrow in a few clips for a random question of Tommy. I'm gonna sit with him in the table, just a regular like vlog talk kind of thing. He's tired. The doctor told you not to drink scotch, right?
Who?
The doctor, after your
Only that one day.
surgery.
Only that day.
Only one day?
That's all.
Oh, I thought the whole life.
Yeah.
You won't listen to the doctor even if the doctor will tell you that.
Whatever you took out, put it back.
Whatever you took on me, take it back, or the surgery thing. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and always thank you to new subscribers. Thank you. Say bye, Han. Night.
Hey guys.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Drive careful, honey. I don't clean my ear, remember? I'm just checking, guys, if it's Tommy is in the shot. Okay, guys, I have some question for him. I have question for him.
You gotta answer it.
I mean, I've been thinking about this hard. Okay, guys, this video is for yesterday's video. For yesterday's video that I will put tonight because I don't have a video today. So this is continuation from yesterday's vlog because I don't have much vlog yesterday. So this is what I'm going to do. So drive careful, Han, please. Han, drive careful. There is car everywhere. Please, Han. Please, Han. I'm serious, Han. I'm serious, Tommy. Han, please, Han. Whatever, Tommy. Honey, there is a car beside me. Han. Okay, Han, when you were young, Han, what did you did wrong that you regret? When you're in your teenage.
And I regret?
Yeah, that you regret. That you regret of doing, really, like,
I really regret much anything. I regret much anything.
But tell me something that you don't wanna, you wish you don't do. You wish that you don't wanna do it again. Like, I wish I never did it. I wish like that.
I wish I didn't pass up on all the jobs I passed up on.
Huh?
I wish I didn't pass up on all the good jobs I passed up on.
Ah, the job that a lot of offer from you, huh? That you just like ignore or pass.
Yeah.
And if you give you a choice, the eating fire, I know guys, because he eat fire for play, and in his younger age, if somebody will pay you like, you know, few thousands of dollars to do it again, are you willing to do it?
Yeah. I didn't do it for money. I did it for entertainment.
I know, for entertainment, but if somebody will give you,
Yeah.
you will do it,
Yeah.
even though it burnt you,
Yeah.
because it burned him before. There's cups over there.
Yeah.
There's cups. There's no one in there. Did he stabbing someone?
He's got somebody. Not by himself. See? Lexus.
Texas.
Lexus from Texas.
And in your 20s, did you try? Have you tried drugs?
No.
Never in your life?
No. Not even pot.
Nana. Even when you were like kind of troublemaker guy.
I was always a troublemaker.
Yeah, but you never did a drug thing.
I need
Good for
drugs to
you.
be a troublemaker.
You're good. And when you were a kid, is your family or your relatives, do you have a nickname? Did they call, there is a nickname for you? That
From friends?
friends or anybody that
Yeah.
in your younger?
Two nicknames.
What is the nickname?
Flame.
Okay, Flame. I heard that Aunt Isabel said that yesterday.
From Little Fighters.
Yeah.
And the Count.
Account?
The Count.
The Count?
As in the Count Dracula.
The Count.
Right.
I never heard of that. Okay, explain why they called you the Count. Not the Count.
Count Dracula.
Okay. The Count.
Let's see, because I always wore black 24 hours a day. I wore dark glasses in the middle of the night. And
Are you really that bad, Han?
it was just scary because it was just like, I was crazy.
Han, you know what Isabel said yesterday?
What's that?
That everybody's scared of you.
Yeah.
Why is that?
After a certain point in my life.
Certain point of your life?
Because I lost my mind, it was crazy.
What do you mean by losing your mind?
Because I would do crazy things.
In talking about dog, do you have a specific dog breeding? Yeah, breed.
That I like.
Yeah, that you like.
German Shepherd.
German Shepherd. You keep saying that. So you really are. That's what you really like.
No.
Guys, you know why he loved German Shepherd? One time of his life, somebody is trying to kill him. And who's this dog that tried to protect you and grab that person behind you?
It was a German Shepherd that somebody owned, and he was an attack dog, and he attacked his family, attacked the people that were going to put him to sleep. So I took him and I said, you can't have him because he's attack. He'll just attack you, attack everybody. And I took that dog, and that dog was a loving animal, but was it, you know, he would attack neighborhood kids because the kids would throw rocks at him.
But that dog is very nice to you, right?
Yeah.
Try to shoot you.
Yeah.
The dog grabbed, what he grabbed that hand.
Yeah.
Try to protect Tommy. And if you haven't met me, if you didn't meet me, or you know never know me, do you have any thinking or thinking in your mind that of marrying or meeting a FiLiPiNA?
No.
Make your voice loud. No?
Nope.
Okay. So he's not into FiLiPiNa. He's just like accidentally bumped into me.
I didn't even know any Filipinas except for one that I didn't know she was a Filipina until after I met you.
Oh, clear?
No.
Oh.
Somebody from the film festival, right?
Why you say that? Why you dating her? That
I
you don't know
wasn't
she's
dating her.
Filipina?
No, I work with her once a year during these festivals. I didn't know she was from the Philippines.
But you know Claire is a Filipina.
Yeah, but I didn't know Claire until after I met you.
Really?
I never met Claire.
Oh, I don't know that. So you never think about Philippines before you meet me now?
No.
Okay, so it doesn't really know Philippine exist.
Pretty much.
Tagalog, Han.
I certainly would travel 23 hours to go there.
So you really don't want to travel over there?
23 hours. Forget this long flights.
He is really miserable, guys. The last time we've been there, 2010, he is miserable.
Squishing between a bunch of people, it just sucked.
And the cigarette, don't do that, because the cigarette is the one that you really want to do.
Yeah, that was annoying too.
But you're lucky enough that most of the international airport have the cigarette room. But oh my god, that room is kind of cloudy.
Kind of cloudy?
Very cloudy.
You couldn't see the outside of that room
Really?
from the glass windows.
You can?
So much smoke in there. They didn't put exhaust in it, nothing. It's like a cloud of smoke.
Tagalogan, Satan, bakit minahal mo ako?
Bakit minahal mo to?
Ako.
Ako.
Okay, bakit minahal mo ako?
Bakit minahal mahal ko?
Minahal mo ako.
Minahal mo ako.
Yeah, very good.
And,
Why you love me, that's it. Ang sarap magpasarap. You go down, Han. And you should be doing your wiper. Sir Han, ang sarap magpasarap.
what?
Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Ang
Ang sarap.
magpasarap.
Magpasarap.
Very good, huh? You are so good, huh?
Not good, huh? I have no clue what I'm saying, so what good is it?
At least you see it really perfectly. You know what it is? Suyammers to be yammers. I'm just kidding. Suyammers to be yammers, like delicious. Sarap is delicious. But you know, people won't see yammers. And I guess don't laugh at me, guys. Suyammers to be yammers. Ang sarap magpasarap. Okay, see the cat, and pusa.
Pusa.
It's a cat. Pusa.
That's your opinion.
It's a cat. That's your opinion. Honey, pusa, it's a cat. What's your opinion about it? There's no freaking opinion about it. Pusa.
Pusa. It's a pusa.
How about the dog Aso?
Asshole. Asshole. That's a Roxy. Asshole. Come here, asshole.
Don't you dare do that, Roxy.
Roxy, come here, asshole. Your mama said you're an asshole.
Aso.
Hey, Roxy, mama says you're an asshole.
Han.
Why?
Please, just say it, Han, please.
Asshole. You an asshole too.
Han.
What?
I'm not kidding. I'm teaching you Tagalog.
You are? I thought you called me asshole.
Aso. Aso.
Asshole. Very good, asshole.
Did we exit already or we passed the exit? We passed the exit, guys.
Keep left.
So anyway, guys, that's the video continuation from yesterday's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like me teaching Tommy Tagalog. Even though
Calling me an asshole. Hey, I hope you like that.
even though the Tagalog he make it like an English bad thing.
Oh, bad things.
Asshole, an asshole is not an. It's an asshole. It's not an asshole. I know you are.
It's an asshole, it's not an asshole. It's an asshole, it's not an asshole. It is or it's not. Make up your mind.
My God. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace.
Learning their language.
And I kind of nervous a little bit because